welcome to another crash course in mathematics episode. This one we're going to look at Bodmas. So if there's more than one thing to do in a calculation, so if you've got division and multiplication in a calculation, then there's a certain order in which you need to do each operation to get the right answer. So this order is called Bodmas. So each letter represents an operation. So the B stands for brackets, the O stands for other, D is division, M is multiplication, A is addition, and S is subtraction. And this is the order in which we complete things. So we're going to have a look at some examples in this episode.
So in this short episode, we're going to have a look at Bodmas. So let's have a look. Let's write it out first. Bodmas. Okay, so this is the order in which you do things in mathematics. It applies to pretty much everything. So each one of these stands for your operation that you're going to do first. So this first one is brackets. This one is other. This one is division. This one is multiplication. This one is addition. And this one is subtraction. So this is the order in which you do things. So if you had a question that said 32 divided by 8 take away 4, there's your calculation. So you might look at that and think, where do I start? Right, so you look down this order. Brackets is your first one. Have we got brackets? Yes, we have. So we need to do this first. So anything inside of the brackets we need to work out first. So you still leave the 32, but you're dividing by 8 take away 4, which is 4 equals. Now have we got any other operations to do in this new calculation? No, we don't, apart from division. So we do 32 divided by 4, which will give us our answer of 8. Okay, and there is your answer. Let's have a look at another example. So if you had 12 take away 5 plus 2, again you've got your brackets first, because that's the first one down your order. So you do what's in your brackets first, so that will be 12 take away 7, so your answer will be 5. So can you see, instead of doing 12 take away 5, then add 2, because that wouldn't make sense because it's inside the brackets, this order, just make sure you do everything in the right order. This is an example that shows why Bodmas is so important. So we've got no brackets here. We've got 6 times 35 divided by 7 equals. So we have a look down our Bodmas. The first step we need to do is divide. So you don't do 6 times 35 first, you do 35 divided by 7 first. So the new calculation would be 35 divided by 7, which gives 5. So we've now got 6 times 5. And we have a look back down our Bodmas. After division is multiplication, so we do 6 times 5, which will give us 30. Okay, we've got another one now, without any brackets. 3 times 3 times 4 divided by 2. So we have a look down your Bodmas first to see which one we need to do first. We haven't got any brackets. We haven't got any division. Or we do, don't we? We've got 4 divided by 2. So you need to do that one first. So 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then we do 3 times 3 times 2. And because they're all multiplication, it doesn't matter what order we do them in. So 3 times 3 is 9, times by 2 is 18. And there is your answer. And now it's your turn. So we've got 33 divided by, open bracket, 6 plus 5, close bracket, equals 8 times 77 divided by 11 equals, and 100 divided by, open bracket, 25 take away 20, close bracket, equals. Remember to write out your Bodmas first, so you remember the process, and have a go at these. Let's have a look at the first one first then. So, write out our Bodmas. We do brackets first, don't we? So 6 add 5, which will give us 11. So now we do 33 divided by 11, so that will give us 3. And the next one. Which one's first, multiplication or division? Division. So we do 77 divided by 11, which will give us 7. And then 8 times 7, which will give us 54. 6. And the last one, 25, because this one's in the brackets, so we need to do the brackets first. 25 take away 20, which will give us 5. And 100 divided by 5, which will give us 20.